Did you know that a truly affordable utility rate starts from meticulous planning? It is a simple idea, but it makes truly a world of difference for our community. Hi, I'm Yaolin Fennell. I'm a principal civil engineer from City of Rockville, Maryland. I work on water and sewer planning, basic infrastructure to keep our cities moving smoothly. It is water and sewer main rehabilitation, or it's the planned upgrades, or it is water shed management. So it is all start with planning. The key is to move away from reactive reactions and take like a strategic long-term perspective. So for example, for water main rehabilitation, we take on this approach. We set a achievable annual goal, and then we set up a prioritization plan with all the sewers and water mains in the city. And then we fix where it's needed in the community without a huge sudden rate jump. It's all planned out. So this will help us to address the critical needs at the moment without leaving a huge repair cost for the future generations. And when we do master planning, we look ahead. We identify where the risks are, short-term risks, the long-term risks, and then we model different scenarios and we come up with solutions to moderate these risks. And then this will help us prioritize our projects within the city. And then taking on this forward-thinking approach, this helps us to really spend the money on where it is needed. So to really help strengthen our water resources and then help our ratepayers to get their reasonable, affordable water rate. Together, I hope we can all take on this type of forward-thinking approach to provide water to everyone in the world, no matter where they live, to make sure they have access to safe, clean, reliable, and affordable drinking water.